counting money. Before we count money, we need to know the value of money. So before us right now, we have the common coins that are used when using money. So we have quarters, worth 25. Now I want to encourage you to write the value of each coin on the top of it when you're trying to figure it out. We have dimes, worth 10, nickels, worth 5, and pennies worth 1. A lot of students confuse quarters and nickels because they are both fat kind of coins, but I want to show you something to help you tell the difference. On a quarter, George Washington has what I like to call a curlicue. Right here, his hair is curled up behind him, almost like in a roll. So I call that the curlicue for a quarter, curlicue quarter. Whereas over here, Jefferson does not have a curlicue. There's nothing. So I call that the no curl nickel. Curlicue quarter, no curl nickel. So that's how you can tell the difference. There's no roll, there's just a straight ponytail coming down on Jefferson, and there's a curlicue right here on George Washington. Okay? So when we are counting, one of the best strategies you can do, it's not the only strategies, but one of the ways you can use is to count the coins that are alike all as a group. So for instance, if I'm counting these 3 quarters, I know each one's worth 25. And when I count by 25, I get a total of 75. So I have 75 cents in quarters. In dimes, I have a total of 3. 3 dimes. Each is worth 10. 3 is worth 30. In my nickels, I have 2. Each is worth 5, so that's a total of 10. And then in my pennies, I have 1, 1, and 1, which is a total of 3. Then you're going to add those amounts together. 75 cents plus 30 cents plus 10 cents plus 3 cents. Simply using your addition skills to figure out how much money you have in coins. So we have 5 and 3, which is 8. 7 tens plus 3 tens is 10 tens plus 1 more gives me 11 tens, which is 110 plus 8 is 118. Of 118, there's 3 ways that you need to know as a 3rd grader how to write money. So you could write 118 cents. It's not the most common way that we do, but that is what 118 cents means. It means 118 out of a dollar, really. Okay, and then you can use a dollar sign and decimal. Dollar signs and decimals go together. $1.18. These 18 means I have 10 dimes and 8 pennies. So you can think of it like that. And that comes after the decimal point. So it's $1.18. Or you can write the words $1 and, because we do have a decimal, so it's okay to say and, 18 cents. You need to be able to read money, write money, say money. And this is how we're going to count money. So counting all the groups together and then adding up the total of each group. Counting money.